Welcome to the Nordic Tesla Life. Here we explore the real EV life in Finland with Tesla Model Y and Tesla Model 3, and also 3 kids in the back seat. Today I will show you how to save money by skipping Tesla's premium connectivity subscription and still get the car to connect internet automatically with iPhone. This Tesla's premium connectivity is about 10 euros per month, depending on the region, but at least here in Finland. But did you know that you can bypass it by sharing Hotspot from your own iPhone and without even touching your iPhone every time you go to the car? So thanks to iPhone automation, you can program it to share the internet hotspot automatically when you come to the Tesla. And also you can automate it to turn off when you leave the Tesla. So here is the idea. When I get to Tesla, my iPhone connects to Bluetooth. It will open the hotspot from my phone and it will connect to Tesla. And when I leave my car, the Bluetooth disconnects and also hotspot stops sharing. Let's set it up next. So okay, let's open the shortcuts. And here is the automation page. And let's create a new automation. And let's select Bluetooth. And Bluetooth, when device Tesla Model Y is connected, it will run immediately the next step. Next, I will select New Blank Automation and let's search for the hotspot. Set personal hotspot on and done. And new automation to set it off. Then I will select Bluetooth. When Bluetooth is disconnected, run immediately from Tesla Model Y. And new automation and once again hotspot. Set and turn it off. Done. Automation here. And naturally we will have to have already set up our Wi-Fi here. So there is the known networks. And here is my phone iHenry 4.3, and let's change the home Wi-Fi to it. I will give the password. Okay, and now it's connected. And of course this works best way. And of course this works and of course, you will have to have an unlimited data plan if you want to use data lots. So that way you don't have to pay any extra from the data transmissions. But for me, this works quite okay. And it takes about 30 seconds when I start to drive. And after that, it connects automatically to the Wi-Fi. Sometimes it doesn't connect, maybe every 15th time when I start to drive. But I can solve it that way that I open the Wi-Fi and select the hotspot. It is already automated, so it is shared, but in some reason it doesn't connect. But it's not a hard job to click the Wi-Fi, and basically what you are missing the maps that has the satellite maps and weather maps and also the karaoke option, but Spotify, YouTube from Tesla Theater and everything else works fine. So you are missing basically karaoke option, and also one thing that you cannot view the Sentry modes videos remotely, but not so much is missing. At least I'm trying out this. If you found this helpful, please like this video and also remember to subscribe our channel Nordic Tesla Life. And see you in next video. Thank you for watching.